Thank you for tuning in to Mr. Mitsubishi, a YouTube channel that covers a lot of Mitsubishi stuff and a lot of 2022 all-new Outlander. There's a couple cool accessories that you can put on your vehicle. Hood emblem is one of them. I made a video earlier on it, on how to put it yourself if you choose to. Today we'll have a look how to install a scuff plate. So this is essentially a protection plate that goes in your door sills for extra enhanced looks and to protect your paint. So let's have a look what's in the box and let's put them on. So let's check out what's in the box. So it's a genuine Mitsubishi part, scuff plate, and it's non-illuminated. So there's different kinds. This should be chrome, I think. So let's open the box. Let's have a look. Okay. That's how it comes shipped to the dealership. Yes, so it's chrome, looks really nice, has Outlander badging on it, and the chrome theme will go really well together with the chrome hood elements, the chrome emblem, this chrome bumper protector plate that we put on earlier. I also made a video how to do it. Now let's have a look. How will these scuff plates look? Let's install them in our door sills and we'll see what kind of visual effect they'll give us. Okay, and let's have a look a little bit closer how it looks without it. So we do have a body paint. So this is black in this case, and now this is how it looks. It sometimes can get scratched if you get in and out. Maybe you have children hopping in and out of the car or dogs and whatnot. So what a lot of people choose to do is to put this protective scuff plate, so it'll go on like this. We'll glue it on in a sec, but this is how the visual effect will look. So really like the chrome part of it, goes really well together with exterior and interior chrome details. So we have a lot of kind of chrome-ish looking interior details, knobs and whatnot. So it'll go together really well. And now let's put all four of them on and we'll see the final result. Okay, so let's get to it now. So there's a couple of things we need to do. First, we need to make sure we grab the right side for each side. So this is front left, so we're going to be doing the left side first. And as we can see, this protector plate, it has a little bit of a shape in it. So it basically mirrors the shape of the door sill. So what we need to do before we remove the tape, we need to put it on here and just measure in its place. So it goes right in the middle, and from the angle you can see how it actually matches the shape of the vehicle, right? So once we found that spot, basically we know where it's gonna go. We'll remove the tape and then we're gonna glue it on. So what you can do though, if you want to make sure that you have it in the right position, sometimes you can put this like masking tape, so just find perfect spots. So we'll do it this time without it. So let's remove this. Okay, that's probably the toughest part in the process, but we'll succeed. Okay, there we go. This one is off. Now let's take the other part. And it's also important to clean all the dust and dirt and degrease it, so which I've done already. So that part is done. So okay, so we put in a position where we want it to be, where we wanted them, and now let's just put it right here. Okay, and obviously we press to make sure it sticks on. There we go. And after this part is done, we remove the plastic coating, so it's even nicer, shinier, and chrome stands out way more. All right, so this part is done. We'll do all four of them and then we'll have a look at the final result one more time. And now let's see how it's done on the rear door. So the rear plates, they're both the same, so it doesn't matter which one goes where, but essentially the same thing. It just follows the shape of the vehicle. So we go like this, measure first how it's gonna look, where it has to sit, right? So we can see the shape of the vehicle like that, and then essentially the part we need to install just mirrors the shape of the vehicle. So let's remove the tape here. Excellent. And now just put it on right here where it has to go. No. Okay, so let's have a look at the end result right now. We've finished everything, installation, how it looks. So you approach your vehicle, open the door, and there you have a beautiful Outlander chrome door sill. It makes a very big difference in a visual appearance, to be honest, how it looks. Let's have a look at the back door. Same thing, we open it up and boom, it's right there. You can notice it right away. It's noticeable basically from any distance. It goes really well together with all the chrome details that you have on the exterior and also these interior parts that are chrome-ish, aluminum-ish looking. So there we go, very easy process. Take your time. After it's done, let it dry so you don't peel it off quickly. And yeah, so have fun accessorizing your Outlanders.